Done the vibe. Yo man, me I go by the name Piper, I'm my P to the Y to the P to the O. Free my zone out session. Free me. Láti mo boy now, mo ti dé Ọjọ́ta. I do this for my people, mo ti sáré dé Alaba. I reminisce my own shit, now I feel like Alaga. I'm always on the road, like say me I be Okada look. I'm the game plan now, you should know the tactics. Head you got bars, why you sounding like a wag bitch? When I link up, me I'm out so you can't reach. Cause I'm making wave, like say me I be bad bitch. I be making moves that you can't see. Then I punch lines low key, can't lose like Tyson. You not bad man, me not bison. Let me school these young rappers, let me teach you a lesson. I've been making waves since high school. Daddy told me, boy, quit rapping cause you can't be successful. Every day I swear that I'm grateful. Grateful for the fans, all the love, all the people who support me. Get high, drop vibes, maybe that's the side effects. You and I know, like a prophecy, I manifest. Coming for your tone now, you niggas should double check. Always in my zone, low key, so I don't react. I'm trying to make that money like a free throw. Where I come from, niggas don't sleep. All they tryna do is stack that money up, get a couple zeros. Check out the flex now, chauffeur a Benz now. See, yeah, I'm from the street, so I never see the feet. Learn lessons that I learned, there's levels to this shit, yeah. Catch me in my zone, boy, I'm killing any beat, swear. Catch me in my city, boy, I'm repping every street. Hey, family, play my songs now, before they no believe me. Got a call from my ex, and she see me for TV. Shout out to my real ones, guys swear believe me. Shout out to them other boys too, wey no believe me. Daily I be feeling like maybe I been dreaming. Shit got me feeling like this is the beginning. Homies they be grinding, paper they be stacking. Latimo boys now steady they be grinding. Latimo boy now, mo ti dé Ọjọ́ta. I do this for my people, mo ti sáré dé Alaba. I reminisce my own shit, now I feel like Alaga. I'm always on the road, like say me I be Okada look. Done the vibe. Cheers. Zone out sessions. Peace.
Me and cooking souls like Snoop and Dre.